Other questions on the system?
At the conclusion of the Algal Biomass Summit, the company FICO Biosciences invited a few interested parties, both from the government and private industry, to look at the next generation technology that they've developed over the last 3 years. And that technology is the FICO SuperTroph system for an economical way to culture algae for biofeed and biofuels.
They're doing a lot of experimenting out here, and it's going to address a couple of needs that we possibly have in the agricultural interest. One, it creates energy, and the second thing is that it will clean up water.
What you see here is a newly installed system, about 1.5 acres. Some of the keys of our system are our ability to aerate the entire length of the system, 1,250 feet. And we're also able to evenly distribute liquids or fertilizers or any type of chemicals that we need to put into our algae culture. These two lines provide both the air and also the liquid distribution, so we can apply those fertilizers that we need. The airlift, which is underneath the ground in a pipe, is drawing water and creating that motive force. Algae culture needs to move. It can't stay stagnant like a pond, and this allows us to do that.
And then what's bubbling? What is this stuff?
That's air. Those micro bubbles are what distribute oxygen into the algae culture. This system is very easy to maintain. We based everything on attachments behind tractors, so we can handle multiple acres at a time with minimum manpower. We need to do it on an economical scale. We need to take it out of the lab, but still have some of the controls to keep a good algae culture, and also to cost effectively be able to harvest it, grow it, and get it out to market.
Anytime we can utilize arid land or brackish water or some low quality water and we can get significant production out of it, it's certainly worth looking into. They may be pioneers, if they can perfect this technology and get it to where it's economical and they can produce energy at an economic level. That's a great step forward for them and for the state.